Guy turned $2,000 into $400,000 with NFTs. Here's how. He broke it down into 6 tips, and we are going to go over them right now. His first tip is to pick a proven project. This means don't look at projects with low volume. You want to find ones that have high and consistent volume. The second tip, which I think is the most valuable one, is to use the listings page on OpenSea. This is where you can view the listings and sales coming in for the project live. Also, he mentions using rarity tools, studying the rarities and knowing them better than anybody else in the project. The third and fourth tip go hand in hand. It says make the buy and look for a sale immediately. So he was pricing aggressively and trying to flip fast. Number 5 tip is liquidity is king. He says that it's almost always the wrong move to be all in. And his final tip is to use the project's Discord. Every single project has a marketplace built into their Discord. This is where you can tell people you're selling an NFT and make a private deal. The reason you do this is to save extra money on OpenSea fees.